Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back again on my YouTube channel, and this is part 3 of chapter 5 Fundamental Unit of Life. Students, we have discussed about the cell membrane in the previous video, and in this video we will discuss about the cell wall. Let's discuss about the cell wall. Cell wall is present in case of the plant cells. Plant cells have an adhesion covering that is called cell wall. You can see in this figure this dark color, green color, it is cell wall, and inside is the plasma membrane. So plasma membrane or cell membrane is present in all the cells, whether these are the animal cells, plant cells, or fungi, bacteria. In every cell, or you can say in all the cells, the cell membrane is present. As we have studied in the previous video, that there are three main reasons which are present in all the eukaryotic cells. These are the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. But cell wall is present in case of the plant cells and fungi and bacterial cells. The cell wall is a outer hard covering. You can see it is giving a shape to the plant cell. It maintains the shape, and cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane. It is composed of cellulose. As you have seen in case of cell membrane, it is made up of lipids and proteins. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a complex substance. It gives structural strength to the plant cells. Let's discuss the functions of the cell wall. Cell wall provides strength to the plant cell. You can see that cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, which is the complex substance, and that is why it provides structural strength to the plants. It does not burst even in the hypotonic solutions. You know that when hypotonic solutions are there and any cell is immersed in the hypotonic solution, the cell swells up. So in the same way, the plant cell swells up in case of the hypotonic solution, but it does not burst, because when it applies pressure towards the cell wall also exerts the similar pressure or equal pressure towards the cell. And in this way, the pressure equalizes and cell does not burst. You can understand it, how much pressure is exerted by the cell towards the cell wall. Equal and opposite pressure is exerted by the cell wall towards the cell, and in this way cell does not burst. And this cell wall has pores inside, and due to these pores, because it is permeable in nature, it allows the substances to move in and out of the cell. And when a living cell loses water, when living plant cell loses water, you can see in this figure, this plant cell is losing water, and there is a shrinkage in the cell, you can see, and it is shifted, the cell content is shifted towards the side, and you can say that away from the cell wall. From this side it is away from the cell wall, and this phenomena is known as the plasmolysis. So plasmolysis, you can say that when a living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there is a shrinkage in the cell content away from the cell wall. This is important question, and it is asked in question paper. So learn it well. Now come to the differences between the cell wall and the cell membrane. Cell wall is present in the plant cells, bacteria, and fungi. It is not present in case of the animal cell, but cell membrane, it is present in all animal cells, in all plant cells, and in all the cells, whether bacteria, fungi, and all. And it is known as the plasma membrane. It is also known as the second name of the cell membrane, other name is the plasma membrane, whereas there is no other name for cell wall. Cell wall is rigid and comparatively thick, as you have seen in the figure, and cell membrane, it is comparatively flexible and thin. So cell wall is rigid and comparatively thick. Cell membrane is comparatively flexible and thin. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, whereas cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. It is non-living and fully permeable, and cell membrane is living and selectively permeable. I hope you have got this topic and learn these differences also. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next video.